Hey guys, this is one of the biggest cars that has been sent to me here on the channel. This is from SMITHMASTER. I can't wait to show you because I think it's awesome. There's a case for storing and carrying the car. Nice foam padding inside. If you want to have it, follow the link in the description. On the SMITHMASTER website, you can choose the color that you like best, find spare parts and detailed photos, and the shipping is free. We're going to take the body off now. It's got a bunch of clips, 6 on the top and 4 underneath. The truck weighs 15 kilos without batteries. The body is made of thick Lexan in phoenix red color. This body has a full roll cage built into it. You can remove this body and just run it with the roll cage. Let's take a look how long this model is. It's 93 centimeters long and the width is 50 centimeters. 200 amp ESC Hobbywin Max 5 supports batteries from 3S to 8S. Look at this motor, it's huge. This is the Hobbywin 56113 5-scale sensorless brushless motor. The high-tech server is protected from water. Maximum torque 3250 kilos. A receiver box is made of aluminium. Have a look at this chassis that is made of 4 millimeters of metal. Plastic side guards reliably protect the model. Metal drive shafts. Sensitive mount set is plastic and metal. Aluminium motor plate. Battery tray is adjustable and has a maximum size of 155 by 96 millimeters. Forward and rear chassis brace is plastic. There's sway bar sets. The adjustable turnbuckles are metal. Plastic front and rear suspension arms. Aluminium shocks. They are very big. Look at the fist against the shock. Knotted shock shaft is protected with a rubber hood. Metal front and rear shock towers. Plenty of suspension on the chassis. It feels good. There's some resistance when you push it down. A reliable plastic rear and front bumpers. Plastic front spindle carrier. The tires feel very firm, but very soft rubber, so it should get a lot of traction. The tire diameter is 195 millimeters. The width is 70 millimeters. Plastic wheel and bedlock sets. The remote control isn't included in a set, so let's take ours, get it connected, and check our giant out. Now it's ready for a test drive. Let's do it. Today we are going to run 6S batteries. The outside temperature is approximately -5 degrees Celsius.